Struggling to upgrade your graphics card because your power supply only has a 6-pin PCI Express connector? The 6-pin to 8-pin PCIe power adapter cable offers a simple, affordable solution. It connects your existing 6-pin power output to the 8-pin input many ATI and Nvidia cards require. No need to replace your entire power supply. This adapter is especially useful for older systems or budget builds. Instead of spending on a new power supply, you can bridge the gap between your current setup and your graphics card's power demands. It's a straightforward fix that saves you both time and money, letting you upgrade without hassle. One user tested this cable on a 2009 Mac Pro 4.1. After installing a Kingston SSD, they wanted to add an AMD HD5850, which needs both 6-pin and 8-pin connections. Since the Mac only had 6-pin cables, this adapter made the upgrade seamless. The result? A smooth-running 2 GB video card alongside a speedy SSD, breathing new life into an older machine. Another customer used the adapter to power an Nvidia GTX 1060 in a system built from spare parts. After hours of gaming and daily use, the cable performed flawlessly, proving its reliability under real-world conditions. It's a trusted choice for anyone piecing together a budget-friendly rig. What sets this adapter apart is its simplicity and compatibility. The 6-inch cable plugs directly into your power supply's 6-pin PCIe connector and delivers stable power to your 8-pin GPU input. No complicated wiring or modifications, just plug and play for immediate results. If you've been hesitant about upgrading your graphics card due to connector issues, this cable is worth a look. It eliminates the need for a new power supply, making it ideal for casual gamers, creatives, or anyone refreshing an older computer. Plus, its compact length keeps your build tidy and clutter-free. Using this adapter also extends the life of your current power supply. Instead of discarding a perfectly good PSU just because it lacks an 8-pin connector, this cable lets you maximize what you already own. It's a smart, cost-effective way to power your new GPU without unnecessary upgrades. The benefits are clear: save money, avoid hassle, and get your graphics card powered up quickly. Whether upgrading a Mac Pro, building a budget gaming rig, or needing a quick fix, this adapter fits the bill. If that's you, try this 6-pin to 8-pin PCIe power adapter cable and see how easily your system can step up its game.